Did you know the average American consumes about 53 pounds of bread per year? And most of that bread contains ingredients you can't even pronounce. Azodicarbonamide, the same chemical used in yoga mats. Potassium bromate, banned in Europe and linked to thyroid issues. High fructose corn syrup, artificial preservatives, and dough conditioners hiding in nearly every loaf at your grocery store. But what if I told you that finding clean, chemical-free bread isn't impossible? Today I'm revealing the 5 bread brands that actually care about your health. Let's talk about what makes most commercial breads problematic. The food industry has prioritized shelf life and profit margins over nutrition. Real bread should go stale within days. That's natural. If your bread stays fresh for weeks, that's a red flag. Brand number 1, Dave's Killer Bread Power Seed, found in the red bag. Dave's Power Seed stands out because it uses organic ingredients and a seed-packed recipe that delivers nutrition without sacrificing taste. What makes it clean? No artificial preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup, and no bleached flour. Their commitment to organic grains means you're avoiding pesticide residues found in conventional wheat. Each slice delivers 5 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, making it actually filling, unlike those empty-calorie white breads. Brand number 2, One Mighty Mill. This brand has revolutionized bread making by returning to traditional methods. They actually mill their wheat hours before baking, not months or years like industrial flour. Why does this matter? When wheat is freshly milled, the nutrients remain intact. One Mighty Mill sources wheat from farmers who don't use glyphosate, the controversial herbicide found in many conventional wheat products. Their simple ingredient list typically contains just wheat, water, salt, and yeast, the way bread was meant to be made for thousands of years. Brand number 3, Base Culture. If you're watching your carb intake or follow a paleo lifestyle, Base Culture should be on your radar. Their 100% paleo certified bread contains 0 artificial ingredients and is completely grain-free. Instead, they use nutrient-dense alternatives like almond flour, golden flaxseed, and arrowroot. While most gluten-free breads compensate with chemical additives, Base Culture relies on real food ingredients. The result? A bread that won't spike your blood sugar or trigger inflammation like many conventional options. Brand number 4, Ezekiel, found in the freezer section, which is already a good sign. Ezekiel bread is made from sprouted whole grains. This sprouting process is crucial. It breaks down phytic acid, which normally blocks mineral absorption in regular bread. Ezekiel contains no added sugars, no oils, and no preservatives. The company claims their sprouting process increases vitamin content and makes proteins more available for your body to use. Studies show sprouted grains can help stabilize blood sugar levels, unlike refined flour that causes rapid spikes and crashes. Brand number 5, Pacha. Perhaps the least known on this list, but deserving of recognition, Pacha bread focuses on ancient grain varieties that haven't been hybridized or modified for industrial production. Their sourdough fermentation process pre-digests gluten proteins and creates beneficial compounds that support gut health. Unlike commercial breads that use quick-rise methods, Pacha allows their dough to ferment for up to 24 hours, breaking down difficult-to-digest components while developing complex flavors naturally. Next time you're at the grocery store, remember these 5 brands. Your body deserves ingredients it recognizes, not chemical experiments designed to extend shelf life. But here's something you should know. While researching for this video, I discovered disturbing information about another American staple, mac and cheese, the neon orange powder in those popular box brands. We found lab reports showing it contains chemicals that have been removed from products in other countries. The bright color you associate with comfort food actually comes from artificial dyes linked to behavioral problems in children. Stay tuned for our next investigation, where we uncover what's really in those convenient mac and cheese boxes and which brands you should permanently keep off your shopping list. Stay safe, stay healthy,